In this tutorial, we will cover CloudFormation in AWS. If you go to the link in the description, it will take you to this page. In the previous tutorial, we covered the instance with two security groups, and in this tutorial, we will cover the instance with Apache server. Let's start by downloading the zip file. Once you have the zip file downloaded, extract it and open this folder. In this folder, we have this YML file. We will dissect this code, then we will upload it to AWS CloudFormation service and see what we get. So in here we have the resources. In the resources, we have a security group with the type security group. And in the properties, we have a group description. We're enabling SSH and HTTP. In here, we have the inbound rules. We're enabling port 22 for SSH and port 80 for HTTP for anyone. And this security group has a name tag SSH HTTP. This is it for the security group. Then we have a server here, server 1, with the type instance. In the properties, we have the image ID. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to get the image ID. And in here, we have the instance type t2.micro. We don't have an availability zone in here. In the security groups, we're referring to the security group up top. And here we have a bash code. We're updating the cache and installing HTTPD and enabling the service and starting the service in here. In here, we're echoing a single line to the HTML file. And this server is tagged with the name web server. Let's upload this file to AWS CloudFormation service and see what we get. So go to AWS CloudFormation and create a stack. In here, upload a template, choose file, and pick this one. Next, in here we'll give a stack a name. I'll name it DevOps. We don't have to worry about the tags since we tagged the security group and the web server. Just go next and create a stack. This will take about a minute. Just refresh and wait. Almost done. And we're good. In here we have the security group and then the server 1, and we're done with the user DevOps. Now if we come back to the instances and upload this, refresh this page, we will see that we have an instance with the name web server. If we come down to the security groups, we will find this SSH HTTP security group. Now let's run the web server and see what we get. So I'll copy the public IP and paste it in the browser. And as you can see here, we have the single line that we added to the HTML file. If this doesn't work, you can connect to your server and check if you have HTTPD installed, enabled, and started. So if you go to var and ls here, you will have this folder. If you don't have this folder, it means that you didn't install and enable and start the HTTPD service. Now, if we want to remove everything, we can come back to the stack and delete. This process will take about a minute. As you can see here, it's shutting down the web server. Few more seconds. It says web server terminated. Now, if we look for the security group, this one will disappear too, because we deleted the stack, and the stack has the security group and the server. So everything is gone now. This was it for the CloudFormation. We created an instance with Apache server. See you in the next tutorial.